be sudden onset. Sudden onset of deterioration of kidney function. So basically, what will be your So if that would be a sudden onset of acute kidney injury, so the first thing that will come to your mind, ano nga ba yung i-request natin mga laboratory examination? And definitely that would be your serum creatinine level. Because creatinine is said to be primarily handled by your kidneys. Dapat ang creatinine nasa ihi lang yan. Wala yan sa dugo. Okay? Now, sana makita mo. Anyway, when we do classify your acute kidney injury, one would be your P-rifle classification. When you talk about P-rifle classification, that stands for pediatric, R stands for risk, I for injury, F for failure, L for loss, and of course E for end stage. And there are two parameters in order to, two parameters very important for your P-rifle classification in order to classify your patients, whether that will be a risk down to your end stage. And this will be, of course, your estimated creatinine clearance and your urine output. Okay? Now, for your creatinine clearance, of course, patients will be coming to your clinic or sa emergency room or even at the old outpatient department. Wala naman yung dalang creatinine level. Di ba? Ang madalas, it's just a complaint of, well, pwedeng no urine output for 24 hours, or patient will be coming to you due to hypertension or even edema. Okay? So, very important for its classification, especially under P-rifle classification, is to check the urine output. You ask the urine output. Kailan po yung last urine output ng pasyente natin? Now, knowing that urine output is important, it is also very important to know what would be the normal urine output. The normal urine output would be around 0.8 to 1 cc per kilogram per hour. Okay? So, if your patient is around 50 kilos, so dapat 50 cc yan per hour. Or, of course, yung lower limit na would be around 0.8. Again, that would be 0.8 to 1 cc per kilogram per hour. So if that would be, again, 50 kilograms in 24 hours, that would be around 50 times 24, 1,200 or something like that. So that would be a normal urine output in 24 hours in a 50 kilogram patient. Okay? Now, for risk, of course, when you classify risk based on the urine output, that would be less than 0.5 cc or ml per kilogram for a period of 8 hours. So very important yung number of hours of urine output. So again, for this, that would be less than 0.5 cc per kilogram per hour for a period of 8 hours. For patients who would be classified under injury naman, that would be 0.5 pa rin, pero much longer. That would be around 16 hours. So again, for risk, that would be less than 0.5 for a period of 8 hours. For injury, again, less than 0.5 for a period of 16 hours. So 0.5 ml per kilogram per hour. For failure naman, that would be less than 0.3, na iba na ngayon, 0.3 ml per kilogram for a period of 24 hours or no urine output for 12 hours. So that would be your failure. Okay? And of course, for loss and end stage, kasi wala nang urine output talaga. Okay? That is why very important that at least, for new couple, for a virgin patient, pag sinabi natin virgin patient, virgin case to, patient will be coming at the emergency room, wala kayong alam kung anong urine output niya, pero alam niyo yung weight niya. So more or less, you could estimate ano ba yung tama, yung ideal na urine output niya for 24 hours. Okay? So again, for P-rifle classification, the parameters are the estimated creatinine clearance and your urine output. For the estimated creatinine clearance, of course, for risk, that would be a decrease by 25% in the estimated creatinine clearance. But for injury, that would be a decrease by 50%. And of course, mas mataas pag failure, that would be around 75%. Now, for loss and end stage, this is very important kasi pag loss na, that would be persistent failure na yun. Pero may time period for more than 4 weeks or 1 month. For end stage, that would be, of course, persistent failure, pero to 12 weeks na or 3 months. Actually, pag end stage, pag 3 months or 12 weeks na, that is already classified as chronic kidney disease. Okay?
Wala, kala ko nagkakalakit ko lang ito. Ay, hindi mo talaga sunod.
Select your countries. Ano yung gusto mo? Ay, ganun ba?
Kaya pala sabi ko parang familiar. Kaya sabi ko familiar, pero parang hindi ko pa naging to. Advice pa siya ba?